Dear students, this session related to practicals in the subject of environmental sanitation. We will deal with sanitary well, step well, deep well and insanitary well. Environmental sanitation is that branch of public health that is concerned with the control of all those factors in man's surroundings or physical environment which may have deleterious effect on human health and well-being. Sanitary well. A properly located, well-constructed and protected against contamination, yielding safe water supply is known as sanitary well. Sanitary well can be constructed as the location of the well. It should be located at least 50 feet away from likely source of contamination on higher ground, but not more than 100 meters from consumers. Lining of the well is built by bricks or stones in cement up to the depth of about 20 feet. This lining is carried 2 to 3 feet above the ground level inside the parapet. Parapet wall around well up to the height of 60 to 90 centimeters. That means 2 to 3 feet above the ground with the lining inside. Platform should be 2 to 3 feet wide cemented platform around the parapet with sloping outwards. Drain. A cemented drain is made around platform to drain storm water and spilled water to the main drain or showcase pit, which should be constructed away from cone of filtration of well. Covering. Top of the well should be covered with some gap for aeration and ventilation. The gaps should be such that impurities cannot go inside. Hand pump, or for the hand pump we can use either manual or electric pump, should be connected to draw water hygienically. This is the different types of wells with pulley. Now the video clipping through picturization you can see it is a self-explanatory. You can read the information projected in the slides. Lastly, the consumer responsibility. The quality of water, physical, chemical, biological parameters of the water should be tested regularly and should conform to acceptable quality standards. Sanitary wells are needed only in communities where access to safe water is very low, where there is no piped supply of water. So they have to depend on only well water. Now, the other aspect is the deep well. So these tap the deep water table lying between the two impermeable strata, and the yield is constant. Because of the longer travel of groundwater to reach previous layer below the top impermeable layer, deep wells yield a safer supply than shallow wells. An ideal deep well is the one which is sunk to a sufficient depth below the first impermeable geological stratum. Wells stained with stones or bricks set in cement concrete provided with a covered parapet with a coping or sloped platform around and fitted with a pump. The depth of water should be sufficient to ensure an adequate quantity and sedimentation. Deep well examples where is a pump road through submersible pump with power. Step wells, mainly found in desert areas of Gujarat and Rajasthan, some descending by as many as 170 steps and 46 meters to reach the water. They are kind of Pakka wells which are become obsolete. The steps are constructed into these wells to enable people to descend into the well to fetch the water to quench their thirst. In these wells, there is a considerable personal contact between the user and the water. Some people may even wash their faces, hands and feet, which is a common Indian custom. So, Guinea worm disease, that is Nara Purugu. It's most common in Kurnool, where the step wells are available. Is a quite public health problem in areas where the step wells are used. The open dug wells and step wells are a health hazard to the community. Cyclops is the intermediate host which harbor the Guinea worm and are abundant in step well water. So conversion of step wells into sanitary well are able to achieve the eradication of Guinea worm disease in our state. Step wells. In sanitary well, as we know, it's quite opposite to what the criteria we seen in sanitary well. The well is located closer to the source of sewage and sewage. Lining the well is not built by bricks or stones in cement up to the depth of about 20 feet. No parapet wall is constructed, no drain facility to drain storm water and spilled water to the main drain or soakage pit. No wide cemented platform around the parapet with the sloping outwards. No covering of the well. No hand pump connected to the draw water hygienically.